Yo, what's good? I don't have any of my stuff on point. All right, we straight. What's good? This is Dan Main. I'm gonna just give it about 5 minutes. We're supposed to start at 6, but I'm having some issues, so we're gonna wait a minute. I'm gonna just make sure we're good to start. All right, I think we are good because it looks good on mobile. So this is Dan Main, and we are doing persistence. Some of the stuff that I learned from Sector 7, some of the stuff that I learned from my days as a threat hunter, as a I guess a proactive SOC analyst. That's what I would really call it. And I'm just humbled to be here. And we can get started in about 2 minutes. I want to tell you, I had to do some exclusions with the antivirus, unfortunately. So a little backstory so that I'm fully transparent in case you ever try this on your own. So I defeated all the EDR stuff, the EDR like stuff. But what ended up happening is, because I wanted to do multiple, I wanted my multi-handler to catch multiple shells. I changed from reverse TCP to reverse HTTP. And when I did that, there was some other stuff that I don't know how to evade. So I had to exclude some web artifacts. So besides that, I would tell you that Bitdefender is running strong and is protected. But again, I'm just letting you know that it's crazy. So I give it 1 more minute. I'm telling you, man, that's why I'm super adamant about people not doing what is it, the notepad exes and the calc.exes, because I'm telling you, man, you start actually messing with malware, there's so many trip points and so many like landmines, and notepad.exe just can't fucking do it for you, bro. I'm sorry, it just can't. Calc.exe just can't do it for you. All right, so we are going to be doing our thing from let me think real quick. From here, from PowerShell ISC. So just so you guys know, I would typically take this into either, what's the thing, Visual Studio Code, and actually make a binary out of this. However, we're doing a live stream, and I think it's a lot more palatable for me to do it in PowerShell, just so that you kind of see the flow and I don't have to compile and do a whole bunch of shit. Hopefully Windows Defender don't kick us back, because I've never actually done this in PowerShell. I always compile the binary, but that's a little bit heavy for a live stream. You're trying to compile and run and so here we are. All right, should be 6 o'clock now. I don't got nobody in here. That's really shocking for 13.6 thousand subscribers, but I don't care. Listen, look, or maybe just let me make sure that I'm public. That could happen. It could be like private the whole time. Let me see. I'm gonna check out, make sure that my streams, yeah, it's public. I'm good. Y'all just late. Let's just get started. You'll watch it afterwards. So the first type of persistence that I want to do. And by the way, this is our Cali. Obviously, you've seen it before. And we have so far 1 session. This is just to make sure that we're good. And I'm going to put multiple sessions in there. Damn, I promoted the shit out of this. Anyway, the first type of persistence that I know that I learned was the registry. And if you go into regedit or registry editor, say yes. And we go to H key current user. We go to software, current is it current version? Software Microsoft. All right, ain't nobody talking, so if I get to ignoring people, don't get mad. Current version, I think it's run. There we go. So as you see, we already got shit in here. So this should be simple for the most of my viewers, because a lot of the people that comment and stuff, they're pretty advanced. So I don't really want to go over too much of what's going on here. I do have to open this up as admin. Ouch. Okay, so I'm gonna have to copy this. ISC. Nope, not you. Just make sure that's administrator. I don't think we have to do it because we would have been like user, but whatever. Anyway, all right. So let's just do this shit. I lost my screen. I got some notes on the side. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There you go. And so in here, we want to just do CMD. Do I have to do that? Or can I just like reg query? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I gotta start the timer. What the fuck am I thinking? Here's the timer. Yeah, I gotta start the timer, bro. I got 1 viewer. Yo, this is mad shocking. I expected at least 100 viewers today. Okay, so it likes that. Okay, I'm just making sure. It's been a while since I've done PowerShell. It's a whole while. If you just joined in, we are starting with, we're trying to do this as quick as possible while I explain. We're starting with the reg query. Now, H key current user. Now with this, you don't have to do this in an elevated context. I don't think. I don't know. I ain't gonna try to split hairs there. Current. No, not a reg query. What am I thinking? We're gonna do reg add. Okay. As you see, Windows Defender, it says it turned off. Huh. Okay, that's embarrassing. It should be on. Bit Defender is definitely on, so we don't even have to worry about that. Just so you don't get it twisted. It's on, so whatever. We just leave that alone. Anyway, reg add key current user. In the live stream, if y'all could think of some extra persistence that I don't think of, just leave it in the chat. We'll try it. Microsoft Windows current version run B, and we'll call it. So the thing about persistence, you want to make sure that it matches in here. We could call it Microsoft we'll call it OneDrive update. And then we'll do a T, reg, string, I think that's string, D, and then I lost it, bro. Oh, here it is. I think that's it. And then an F. And then we'll just do run. And then we'll just do that. Command completed successfully, whatever it's saying. Man, I've been having live streaming a while, bro. Anyway, so if we go back and check Uh-oh. That's embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Oh, here we go. So OneDrive update, that's me. And then just to double check, malware.exe. Boom. So our first persistence. Yay. You should have known how to do that if you follow me. If you don't know how to do that and you follow me, go and get your skills up. The next one. Oh. I got some old janky equipment in here, bro. I got equipment that I had back in 2012, bro. I ain't lying. All right, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to drop another form of persistence in our startup folder. So our startup folder should be, let's see if I can go to it. Should be app data, Microsoft, Windows start. I hope y'all feeling the vibe. I did snow because it's April, but it's cold as hell outside. We got this cold snap in America, so I just did snow, bro. Uh-oh. Did I spell it right? App data, Microsoft, Windows. Oh, what? I don't see it. Damn, bro. What the fuck? Am I tripping? Does C have an app data? Oh, man. Yo, what the hell, bro? All right, let me slow down, man, because I'm thinking too fast. Let me do this. Bear with me, man. Where the fuck is this folder? Man. I really gotta step my game up. Oh, you know what though? Hold on. I think you could just go to it like this. I gotta get my workflow down. I think you can go to it like this. You can just go to this. We ain't lost too much time. I thought you can go to it like this though. Damn. Maybe it's not in this version of Windows? Yo, what the fuck? There's no start menu here. Roaming? Oh, okay, here it is. Damn, I was about to lose my shit, boy. Whoa, okay. So I have to get this. This is where we need to put the damn persistence. So, wow. I was tripping. All right, so what we need to do is we need to say copy, and then we'll paste the malware later, and then we'll just do that. And then double quote it, because I don't want no trouble. Yo, I rehearsed and everything. All right, boom. 2. Persistence, startup. And we'll just run this line. Boom. And so if we go back to that folder, we got malware there, right? Yo. All right, we gonna keep going, bro. I guess y'all ain't fucking with me today for whatever reason. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna keep rolling. The next one I want to do is what was this next one I want to do? Logon scripts. So Logon scripts, if you don't know, it's gonna be in your current user environment. I'm gonna go to it real quick so y'all know what I'm talking about. Current user environment. So boom, right here. As you see, we got chocolatey in there. We got OneDrive again. So yeah. So one of the biggest Windows weaknesses is junk. You see OneDrive everywhere, chocolatey, LastPath update. So it's hard if you're a threat hunter to go through Windows and know what is legit and what's not. Then you got temp in here and all that. And we about to take full advantage of that. So yes, sir. Bro, I'm upset, bro. I'm offended. Ain't nobody in the live stream, man. I'm offended, bro. Thought I was hot. I ain't hot, bro. Boy, you ain't hot, boy. Alright. Reg add H key. We're gonna be up to 3 after this. User environments. And we'll say, I don't know. We're at D, and then this is the malware. No, wait a minute. Oh, scripts. My bad, bro. I'm tripping. So you gotta do a notepad. Man, it's been a while since I did anything. It's been a while since I did anything in batch. I think you do echo off. Let's do a test. Who am I? Guess, man. Test.bat. I need that to be somewhere where I can get it. PowerShell window. I think that's right. Okay, sweet. Yep, it is. So I think all I gotta do with my test.bat, we'll just call it malware.bat. Malware.bat. What's good? What's good, bro? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. We lost touch, man. But yeah, hood rat update. Where was that? Okay, so I gotta get this path here. Do properties, and then this, and then malware.bat. And then I gotta do a T here, reg, SZF. What's good? What's good? Got people coming in now. What's happening? I thought y'all abandoned me, bro. I was feeling a little bit emotional, but I'm glad I got y'all in here, man. What's good? What's good? I'm happy to see y'all. We got Logon scripts popping in our third persistence here. Oh, what was that? Oh shit! Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. This is Logon scripts. If y'all just join in, I already got one session going just to make sure that it's working. And I promised everybody that I would be evading defenses, like evading Windows Defender and Bit Defender. I did have to do some exclusions, bro. I did, cause Bit Defender is catching this shit like when it when it's sending the web traffic out, and I don't know how the fuck it's doing it. So I excluded that, but everything else is on point though. Everything else is protected. So just full disclosure, in case you try it on your own, I gotta get in the lab after this live stream and figure out what the fuck's going on with the web traffic. But I assure you 100%, I put my name on it. If you use just a regular reverse TCP and you do what I'm doing, you're gonna be fine. And of course, I'm using Halo's Gate, so whatever. Let's keep going though. Don't wanna oh, dang. All right, it's all good, YouTube. Y'all don't gotta like me. Yeah, just got the message. All right, so the next thing we want to do, well, we want to go ahead and run that. Completed successfully. Sheesh, bro, I'm one of the best at it. I say that humbly, but at the same time, I say it with awareness. Like, yeah, I don't mean to be big-headed, bro. This is what I love to do, and that love keep you in the lab, and then you just get good. I would put me top 3 most technical people I know, but I do say they're humble because anybody can get here just with work. I wasn't born with no gifts or nothing. Let's keep going. The next one I want to do is shortcut modifications. I kind of want to do this one. I can no. So I would do shortcuts, but that's not really fun unless you got a user to fool. But essentially what you could do is just point your malware.exe to a shortcut, right? That's shit that you could do. But one of the cool ones that I know, one of the most dope ones that I know is the screensaver. So if you don't know, you can persist. It's a screensaver. So when your victim screensaver comes on, boop, you get a reverse shell. So yeah, I'll just show everybody that so we know what we're talking about here. Send current user, control panel, and then desktop. So anything you save, you gotta save it as yeah, so you gotta do 2 commands actually here, but this is where the data is going to be. So we're gonna do it reg add h key rent. Feel the same up, but there's always things to learn. Yes, so I do got weaknesses right now. For example, at work, when it comes to infrastructure, just setting up like switches and routers and stuff, bro, I let all that shit go. I let all of it go, and I was at work till 9:00 p.m. having to configure switches and routers, 3 switches, 1 virtual firewall, and within all of that, I had to make like some big wild shit work, and I did not get it, bro. I walked away like I didn't get it to work, and I got to work at like 9:00 that morning. So yeah, it's when I say I'm one of the best at it, that's a humble statement because it's shit that I'm gonna always get beat over the head with. I'm relearning about VLANs because again, like you don't run into that too much. Like needing to know that stuff, you don't configure it all the time. Then, bro, like another thing happened. So I finally get everything set up and ready to go, and I'm installing Security Onion. And security and everything's good. Security Onion's like, nope, we locking all this shit up. So it did some shit where I couldn't change none of my interfaces on my equipment, no matter what I did. Bro, I wanted to cry. I wanted to cry. I just had to leave, bro. Screen. Save timeout. You can put anything here, but I want it to look normal. And then we'll put 10 minutes. No, 1. I don't know what that D is. I got some notes, bro. My bad. Actually, we don't gotta do all that. Let's just keep going. So we want to add that. So this counts as 1. So we got 4. The goal here is to get to 20. And then boom. So I should be in here somewhere. Let me say, yeah. So that one's kind of new to me, man. So if that shit don't work, it's all good. One of the ones I learned early on when I was when I got into this 7 years ago was the PowerShell profile. So if you go to, I don't know why I got that in my notes. Let me see something real quick, because I got some weird shit in my notes. I don't know if there's anything right there. What? Okay. I was configuring VLANs, but I definitely don't do it often. Buffer overflows. So buffer overflows that's the tip of the iceberg. What's good? What's good? I gotta call you, man. After this, I'm gonna call you. I got your number. I wanted to tell you. I got your the info you sent me to. I gotta call you after this. Don't let me forget. But yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say, so I'm gonna move on. Yeah, configuring VLANs and shit, like, yeah, all that stuff left me. So I had to learn remember real quick Friday. No doubt, no doubt. Scheduled tasks. Let's talk about scheduled tasks. So I got 4. I'm looking at my notes, and for most of these, I was compiling like EXEs and DLLs. I don't know if I want to do that on the live stream, but I definitely can set up a scheduled task. So scheduled tasks is one of the hardest things to hunt, and I'll tell you why. If you look at get tasks, I think you could just do like that. I don't know what type of context you're supposed to get out of this. Let me make it big so everybody can see. I don't know what kind of context you're supposed to get out of this, but as a threat hunter, that's pretty dope. I could put my hand over the screen and shit. I don't know what you're supposed to get out of this, but I definitely know how to persist in here. So just wanted to show everybody that Windows is a damn mess. So I'll go back to my code. Why is this in the way? I could do sketch tasks, create 10, and we'll do clear rat stuff. What? Can I do that? Let me do it. Let me see. What is the thing? Mandatory option SC is missing. I think SC is the time. SC daily? And oh no, not daily. We want this shit to be about a second. Right? I don't know if I want to do that. We'll see. Because I only want 1. I don't know what to do here, actually. Because so the plan is, once I get all of this shit in here, I want to run the script, and then I'm going to show y'all. Let's see real quick. Not you. Get down. I'm going to show y'all my my sessions, how many sessions I got. Excuse me. Let's make that bigger. I like really big fonts, bro. 28. Oh. All right. By the second. By the way, like as y'all are in the chat, if y'all know any, or if y'all research any persistent things, let me know, cause I'll try it as well. It's supposed to be like more of a group thing than just me talking. So, let y'all know. That is not correct. I'll do that. Okay. We might be, I don't know. Bro, I'm a vaporwave head. That's why I got it. Okay, so hood rat stuff is good. So we'll do a sketch task, find string, hood rat stuff. Yep, so it's in there. Now, when it comes to, you could also do this with an XML file, which is pretty dope. I ain't gonna do that because it's new to me. What the fuck? Should be at the top, right? Oh, yeah, it is. Damn. Yeah. So the next runtime is going to be tomorrow at 10:27 according to the time on here. We might change that. All right. So, yeah. So, I don't know. I ain't going to try to make it too hard. Oh, you know what we could do? We could just do this. Sketch task. I just want to see if this works. Run 10 hood rat stuff. And then let me see if it'll give me a shell here. Fuck out of here. Bro, I did not get my call back, bro. What the hell? Uh-oh. Might have a weird live stream here. That shit did not work. What the hell? Bro, this shit not working, boy. Ah, what the? I think what's supposed to happen. Did I do the wrong? Maybe I did the wrong set payload. Nope, that's right. Bro, what the fuck? It's supposed to work. All right, bear with me real quick. I don't know why the hell it's not working. We're burning valuable time here. I think I could just do it. Okay, it works. Oh, Windows Defender got me, bro. What the fuck, bro? Hell no. Come on. That shit's embarrassing. How in the fuck did it get me, bro? This shit must have updated, bro. This shit must have updated like within the last week. Boy, this shit embarrassing like a motherfucker. Bro, Windows Defender ain't no joke. It is not no joke. I'm telling you, man, people sleep on it. I still got sessions, but it's still, you don't want it to. Damn. I don't know how this shit gonna go, bro. That's got to be an update. What is it? What is the thing? Background or? Bro, that shit, man. I'm gonna have to disable the. So Bitdefender's still good. So don't get it twisted. Defender is, bro. Defender smoking crack right now, bro. So I'm gonna have to turn Defender off. I know I said I wasn't gonna do that, but I gotta figure that part out. I gotta figure out what it is flagging on. I'm telling you, when I did the Hell Shell video, well, Hell Shell, when I did the Hell's Gate video, that was legit. Uh-oh. Do I not have a real shell? Fuck it. Let's do hood rat stuff again. How much more time we got? We got 30 minutes. Oh, boy. Oh, you know what probably happened? I just thought about it. I think I know what happened. Look, it ain't gonna work. I gotta recompile it. So I think what happened was Windows Defender went through and looked at the persistence, and then when it looked at the persistence, it just branched out and then flagged on that. I think that's what happened. I didn't think that I had to evade Windows Defender with my persistence technique, but I guess I'm learning today. Okay, that works. But Defender is disabled, Bitdefender is still enabled. But the schedule task works. All right, let's keep going. Damn, I gotta make that shit up to y'all, bro, because I need everybody to get off the notepad.exe and the calc.exe. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Oh, this one's fun. So I did this one on a hack the box machine. If you do SC list, I don't know. SC store? Hell no, boy. I think SC query. Boy, that Windows Defender shit gonna fucking bug me tonight when I'm trying to sleep. Ah! I guess you get it though. SC query. So I know the PowerShell way. PowerShell way is get service. And then you get all your services. I can't think of the actual Windows way, the regular Windows way. Anyway, to create a service, you do SC create, and then you can just do hood rat stuff, and then binary path. I think you gotta space it out like that. There's something funny you have to do right here. Gotta think of what it was. There's something funny you have to do, and I don't got it in my notes. Start auto. Make sure we spell correctly. Is it this? Bro. That? Oh. Bin path. I hope y'all learning something, bro. I don't know if I'm doing this right. All right, let me look on the internet. Oh, that's right. I have to get out of my environment to research. I hope I don't got nothing crazy up. Y'all know how we are. Let's try that. SC create. That's right. Bin path. Am I missing something else? Oh. No, that ain't it. Let's try that. Let's try to quote it. Yes. Bro, what the fuck, bro? What am I missing? SC create, the rest stuff, bin path, path executable. Set content. Oh. So that's a PowerShell alias. So I gotta do it under cmd.exe. Oh, damn it, I screwed that up. All right, boom. Put the rest stuff. So if I do a get service, I guess you get it. Shit. Find string. Yep. Persistence, baby. So eventually I'm gonna take all of this shit that I'm learning, bro. I'm gonna build a C2. I'm just gonna do it. Speaking of, I want to just do a shameless plug right now. I do have the course, the initial access malware course coming out September 1st. And the pre-orders go online on July 1st. The thing about that is, because I need everything to be self-sustaining, I'm focusing super hard on accessibility and making sure that the payments you can pay in anything, bro. You can pay in salt if you wanted to. Okay, so I just need to put this in. Oh, I already created it, but I gotta find a playlist soon because I think my Vaporwave is about to run out. Yeah, I might get copyrighted for this damn video playing in the background. I don't care. It's fine. Persistence services. All right, let's keep going. That kind of took a long ass time. But if we wanted to test that out, which I kind of do. I think we just killed that, it'll be fine. Let's see, start, put, rat, stuff. Oh, access denied. Fuck out of here, boy. Let's see, start. Did I get it? No. Bro, y'all like, bro. We fucking up the live stream. Did I type it wrong? Oh, did I recompile it? I don't think I did. I didn't. I did. Why would I do that? Bro, defender, bro. Shit got me, bro. I don't see no damn reverse shield coming back. See if it works at all. Bro, this shit broke. I'm supposed to be. I think what's happening, bro. I tested this, bro. I tested it before we got on. But I think what's happening. I think what's happening is as I send my payloads, it's the same ID. So it's not which is frustrating. I thought it because it was randomizing earlier. Well, what do we got in here? So this should be true. I thought it was already true. And then I want to drop my sessions. I think, yeah, because like if it can't keep up with those UUIDs, it's just going to send the same one. So I needed to randomize the UUIDs, I guess. I didn't know I had to do that. That's not working. Okay, there he is. That was late. Without a database connected, that payload tracker would not work. Okay, I get it. I get what's going on now. So when you want to do like multiple callbacks and shit, you got to do. What the fuck? Exit. Bro, Murphy's Law. Anyway, when you do when you want multiple callbacks, you have to do you have to set up a database, and that's done with msfdb.init. I did it before the video, bro. I swear I did. We got 16 minutes. How many? Anybody got any ideas in the chat while I try to rush this shit together? I didn't want to get too difficult with this live stream, but you could do a lot of stuff. Like you can take a binary and then you can backdoor it by you do the create process Windows API call, and then you create a process with, let me make sure I don't screw this up. No, you do your shellcode first. Make sure your shellcode executes. Then after that, you do a create process. I think it's open process, something like that. And then you call a renamed version of the binary, and then you be good. And then here, if you use resource hacker, you can change anything you want about the malware. So if I did like that, shit, I don't want that. I'm wasting a little time, but I want to show y'all how deep this shit get. So you can go in here, and it's been a while since I did this. Information? No. Not here. What's that? Resource type. I think you can do. It's been a while since I messed with this, but you could do a lot of stuff. Not prefaces. Bro, I suck. You suck. There's a way to change the here. There's a way, I have to Google it later, but there's a way to change a lot of the stuff about, to include the image. I mean the image, the icon. That, I don't know. It's been a minute since I fucked with this. Anyway, let's keep going. Where we at? Oh. Yes, so I have to do sudo msfdb, I guess init again. Start. Do I have to do sudo msf console to get it to connect? Maybe so. But yeah, that's. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Use exploit multi-handler. What the hell? Look at that shit, bro. How much time we got? We got 12 minutes left, bro. How many we got? Multi-handler. Set. Oh, we already got it in here. We don't. Oh, why do I keep doing that? I've never seen it in my whole entire life. We're gonna have to do this in Kali, like the regular Kali. As soon as I can fucking find it. Where are you? And I don't know. It's something going on with my. That ain't gonna be good though. Why would I want to do it in there? There we go. You. Bro, this is a shitty live stream, bro. SSH Kali at 10:10:10:52. Kali. MSF. I don't know. I don't think I have to do it again. All right, one more time. Use exploit multi-handler. Set payload Windows x64 interpreter reverse HTTP set lhost 10:10:10:52 set lport 443. And then what was that other thing? Show advanced options. Something about UUID. A human friendly name to references used. No, I don't want to do it myself. Set this true. Exploit JA. And then just test the malware out. Boom. All right, it works again. But I need to be able to get more than one. That's the point. It's the only reason why we're doing all of this shit. Just one. I don't know why we not getting more than one. Anyway, we can keep going. I don't care. How much more time we got? 9 minutes? That's whack, bro. I do not like that. Let's try this. Whatever. Anyway. Image file execution options. I don't know what the fuck. Oh, I forgot a big one, bro. When Logon. So when Logon does, when Logon executes, it normally just, it sounds like it is, but after you log on, it will execute explore.exe. We can get it to where it does both of the things. So what you want to do, you definitely need it in system 32. So we got to copy our malware into system 32. Where the fuck is it? And once we do that, let's just go ahead and do that so we don't have no issues. And then we'll do get child item malware.exe. Boom. Next thing we want to do is reg query. But before I do that, I just want to show everybody the key here. So it's going to be H key local machine, meaning that you need elevated privileges. I don't know if I got enough. Where the hell are you? Bro, my wife got some dinner cooking. Smell good, boy. Eat, boy. Windows NT current version. Win Logon. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, where are you at? I don't see it. Y'all see it? I see user init. Whatever. Anyway, we about to put something in there anyway. So, the reg query. H key local machine. Software. Microsoft Windows version. Logon. And then, whoa. The rest. Oof. What? Sometimes I'll just be taking notes just blindly. What are we doing here? Software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version. What I got in my notes? I don't know if we gotta create. Let's do that. Do that. Yeah, my bad, bro. We gotta create that. I have no idea what's about to play. Let's see. Let's get some more copyrighted music to play. Get some copyright strikes. Hey, 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 hey. You got 4 minutes, bro. Let me stop bullshitting. We gotta create that. So it's gonna be reg add, which I did. Let's see if I can get away with that. Oh, that's not complete. Don't do me like that. I don't know if that's correct. Just guessed it. Hopefully it is. I don't know what the fuck's going on. We're just gonna keep going. So reg add. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. Oh, yes it is, because it's in Windows. It is in. It's in System 32. System 32. System 32. Apparently you can do the same shit with user init. Didn't know that. So we're gonna try that as well. What do you call it? When Logon? Hey, hey, hey. For the lucky one, you must be lucky. Hey, hey, hey. Keep going hard. Keep going hard. So I think we could start with that, and then yeah. Fuck this shit. Got 1 minute left. I'm looking good up there. I think I'm running out of time. This definitely gonna be copyrighted. I gotta cut this off. And skip to what the fuck are we going to do for? Give me a second. Give me a second. Let's try this one. What? All right, we're just gonna call it. We had 23 seconds to go. So I think I could have did hood rat stuff too, and then reg SZD, and then I have to do the full paths here. So it'll be okay. That's one timer. Oh, that is the timer. All right, we want to get rid of this timer now. Thank you. Thanks for playing. Move that up. All right. Let me see if it worked. Fingers crossed it works. Oh, I didn't get it in time. I think it's just this. C, Windows, System. The System 32. I think I'm gonna try this out on Hack the Box. Like, as soon as I get in a box, just hit it with persistence. Hey. All right, that said it completed. So what we're gonna do now is we'll restart. Now, this might be a disaster because as we see, I'm not getting more than one callback for whatever fucking reason. Let's do false here. Maybe it. Let's just exit. Why? All right, so I'm gonna restart. Actually, let's do this. Uh-oh. What the fuck? It ain't gonna work. Let me add a screen capture device. Add a new source. Then that done. So this is one of my screens. I am going to move my malware lab to the top. Am I right, bro? And then Callie here. Oh, live stream quiet, boy. Where you been at, boy? Been by. What the hell? That don't be working sometimes. I'm scared to even do that. That'll kill your whole Cali. Man, come on with this shit. There we go. Fucking virtual box, dog. I had to back up off of VMware, bro. Sudo MSF console. Make that bigger. Let's go ahead and exit that. So once we get our stuff set up again, let's see if I can full screen it. Yes, I can. Then we'll be done. Use exploits. I'm sorry. Bro, I do this so many times a day. That's it. I think that's all I'm gonna do, bro. I ain't gonna do none of that fancy shit. All right, let's restart the computer. See how many persistence things actually run. Probably one. We'll see. I don't know, man. If I get at least 2, I'd be happy. Come on, bro. Come on, man. I'm hungry too. You don't bring your ass on. Toolbar shit. I think that's a copyrighted sample too. Oh, I got persistence. Let's go. Oh! Damn! All right, that's one. Hell yeah, boy. There go 2. Let's. Oh! Hell yeah! 2! Let's go. Oh man, what the fuck's going on? One close. Bruh, I don't give a 2. That's number 4. Yo. Something happened, bro. Something happened, bro. Trying to advertise nobody else and shit. Something happened to my sessions. Well, I went for it. So we only got 2. Boy, if I was an APT, I'd be mad as shit, boy. Boy, I'd be mad as well, boy. But that's how persistence works. It was fun, but I guess I got some studying or practice to do. I don't even know if that's gonna open up. As you see, my window is tripping. That's not a good sign either. Oh, you know what? What's the name? Probably came back on Windows Defender. Oh shit! I don't want to turn it on. Yeah, it came back on. But even with it on, I got 2 back. That's progress. But the whole time, Bitdefender was running. So we're baiting Bitdefender, but we are getting beat the fuck up by Windows Defender, which tells you a lot about how far Windows Defender has came. So I'm gonna wrap this live stream up. If don't nobody got no questions, let me get this annoying shit out of your face. So as threat hunters, as defenders, if we know how to install the malware and we know how to think like a criminal, we know how to think like an attacker, think like a hacker, then we can find the shit. And that's really the whole purpose of my channel. That's really the whole reason that I live, bro. If you can hack it, you can threat hunt it. We got for Zero Sec, he said his weakness was buffer overflows. With malware dev, I would say that I've been at the low enough level to where it's like when you understand malware development, like buffer overflows is just a small part of that, because you're always on the stack. You're always like sending opcodes and assembly language and manipulating the stack in a lot of ways. I'm still new at that level, so don't sharpshoot me. I'm just saying that as you learn malware development at that level, nothing can stop you when it comes to buffer overflows and exploit development and all that shit. So it was fun, but I failed terribly, bro. I got 2. And I think we actually, I don't know. I think we good. I'm gonna get off, bro. I love y'all, yo. Keep in mind, man, my course is going online July 1st. And again, it's gonna be initial access malware. I'm not going to reveal a lot about, like, ain't gonna be no table of contents and nothing that you can read up on because of ChatGPT, right? I don't want nobody to ChatGPT my shit. You can use ChatGPT after you buy it. Don't be using ChatGPT. That's why I'm not giving out some of the techniques. I will say, just wrapping it up, with initial access malware, it's not your typical malware, because this is the type of malware that you will see being sold on Telegram channels. So for example, if I'm like Agent X, if that's my fucking handle, I will say, hey, Agent Y, bro, you want to buy initial access malware. I wouldn't say that, obviously, but I'm just saying that for simplicity. Once they buy it, they just put a domain name in, and then they put a secret key in that shows that they bought it. So you have a free trial version, and you have the actual full trial. And then that comes in a little key that you can use. You put the key in, and then you put your domains or your IPs or whatever the case, and it'll scan the internet viciously for WordPress vulnerabilities, Drupal vulnerabilities, Laravel vulnerabilities, Nginx, or you name it, web server, web apps, just scanning the web, scanning the internet. Now, what you do beyond that is up to you. If you just want to enumerate, you can do that. If you want to throw automated exploits, you can do that as well. And you can just do your thing. That's going to be the tip of the iceberg, though, because that's my weakest point. My strongest point is obviously in systems and Windows and shit like that. So initial access is going online first, but that's going to be my weakest course by far, because once I get into execution malware, privilege escalation malware, I'm going to be where I'm most comfortable at, which is Windows. So I hope that sold you on the efficacy and the power of the 11 courses that are coming out and near you and at your head this year, next year. So if ain't nobody got no questions, I'm Dan, man. It was good seeing y'all again. And I'm out. I'm going to call my good friend right here, and we're gonna do some business. I got a birthday party too. Shout out to my homie David. He ain't online, but we're doing something tonight to celebrate that. He's a good dude. I love him like a brother, and I die for him. He knows that. So I'm out though. Y'all be easy. One love.